Good morning, guys. It's been a while, so today's video is just going to be just a little bit of project. Just want to show you guys the process and the steps. So I'm getting ready to paint my interior doors. This color Peppercorn by Sharon William, and it's a gray color. And you know, let me fix my hair. You know me, I love gray. I love gray. I love anything gray. So I'm getting ready. So good. So how you guys been doing? It's been a hot minute. So I already prepped the door. I put some blue tape on, and I'm gonna get started. I'm a little nervous because, you know, my husband is not here and he doesn't know I'm doing this. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the door, and I just prepped it. This is my pantry door. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it right now. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it. My door has that section and that little section. So what I do is take a brush and paint inside the little detail, and then I take the roller and roll. So I'm gonna roll the middle, then roll the edges up, and that's how you do it. So that door is done. Let me step back a little bit so you guys can see. I love that color. Pretty. Okay, so the garage door is done, and I'm moving over here because I have a ton of paint left over. And I poured everything out, so I might as well. I put the second coat on that and that, and then I'm gonna start over here. It's 2:47. The kids go to VBS at 6. So I want to be able to get that done and get something to eat because I haven't had anything to eat all day because I'm doing intermittent fasting. So I need to grab something to eat and then start on this door. I am potty training Madison, and she reverted back. I don't know what happened. We went on vacation and she just reverted back to peeing on herself. So I'm gonna go make me. I have eggs. I have boiled eggs. Yeah, I have boiled eggs. So I'm gonna eat 2 of those. Did I tell you guys that Rob want me to lose 50 pounds before he buys my cabinets for my custom closet in my room? So he was like, if you get down to 170, I will get you your whole entire complete closet. And I was like, oh, okay, all right, that's what's up. So I started at 220 after vacation, and I'm now down to 216 pounds. That was Wednesday. That was Monday. Today's Wednesday. So I'm doing pretty good. I've been sticking to 59 grams of carbs, and it's been working. And I go running and stuff, and I do intermittent fasting. So let me go eat and then go tend to this little girl, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna do a salad because I'm like hungry, and 2 eggs is not gonna do it for me. So I have my eggs, I have my cheese, and I have leftover chicken from meal prep on Sunday. I got my scale that I'm getting ready to weigh out my meal. So I'm just gonna weigh out probably about 4 ounces. I'm gonna weigh out 4 ounces of chicken. Here. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4 ounces of chicken. That's 3. Okay, 4 ounces. I'm gonna heat this up. And then I'm gonna have half of avocado. Since I know how much this is already, I think half of it is like 96 or so. I think this is 96. I guesstimate. I don't like to do. Okay, so this is 96. I don't like to do too much weighing because I don't want to wear myself out. So I'm going to use some ranch, and ranch is only 1 gram of carbs for 2 tablespoons. I'm not going to use that much because I just want to toss my salad. So I'm just going to probably use half a tablespoon. I just want to toss my salad. And then I'm going to cut up my eggs in here. I love this easy meal. And then I'm going to cut up my chicken even smaller. I wish I had some turkey bacon, but I don't. This is going to hold me over until dinner time. And it's like 3 o'clock right now, so. Let's get everybody up in there. Now we're gonna cut up our avocado. So I'm gonna just spoon it out. I could weigh this if I wanted to, because all I have to do is just put that there, take off the tear, and then weigh it. So this is just 2.4 ounces of avocado. And I like to know because I track my my macros. That way I don't go over my daily intake. Oh, so good. So this is what my salad look like. So pretty. So I'm gonna go scarf this down and get started on my door. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Oh, if Daddy's coming? Of course Daddy's coming.
Wanna know how I get your neck now? This hot.
That was my ear.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're late for VBS. After you, sir. Jackson. Jason. Come on. Go. Go. Load up the car.
Load up the car.
So we're at VBS with the kiddos. I think today is Thursday. We had clay. We had to make some stuff, and my animal just lost his head. Look at that, babe. He lost his head. Maddie had clay. They're around the field, and I took a hold of it and made something. So she don't like to socialize at all. She's like her dad. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a little bit. No, you do not socialize.
I do.
So apparently I forgot to get the kids dinner. I don't know how that slipped. Because my kids are not the kids to be like, ooh, I want to skip a meal. We just got home about an hour and so ago. It's like 9:47 and I'm getting ready to make them a wrap. I didn't show you guys the doors, how the doors came out. There go. I'm gonna show you guys in the morning the final result. But Rob is over here getting their stuff ready, and I'm gonna go help him. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
Morning. Cheese. Well, don't you forgot?
Want to say good morning? This is all they do. That guy right there in the middle lost his tablet privilege. So Maddie over here. And sorry if they're wearing the same clothes. I tend to put them in the same clothes after VBS because
People trying to trade me.
it's still good clothes. Like, they only put it on to go to VBS. And I'm not about to have a ton of laundry. So they're still wearing the same clothes from VBS yesterday. Which I don't even have to explain myself. But anyways, Maddie's potty training today. She's doing really well. And that little Missy in the kitchen over there is finishing up lunch. This is their second to last week before school. They start school on the 19th. And I have something to show you. Go close that bathroom door because I don't want to get up. Close that bathroom door so I can show them. So I finished the door. I'm going to get up in a second to go over there and show you guys the final result. So I finished those 3 doors and then I made my way over here to the front. So that's our front door. You come in, you pass the stairs, and you go. So we have an open concept. I did the bathroom door and I did that door. That is a closet with a bifold door. I'm going to put a barn door right here. So we don't have to worry about this door right here. Plus that door, if I was to paint it, I would have to take it off completely because there's no way for me to get inside the corner. So all the doors are painted downstairs. Excuse me. All the doors are painted downstairs and I love the color. It's beautiful. So good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you for making good, Jason.
So I am officially 213.2 pounds. And when I started, I told you guys I started at, stop doing that. Stop. Stop. You want Papa? 1, 2, 3. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I weighed in this morning and I was 213.2 pounds. On Sunday when I weighed in, which was not my official weigh-in, my official weigh-in day is on Monday. But on Sunday when I came back from vacation, because we were on vacation last Thursday until I don't even remember when we came back. But when I came back from vacation, I weighed 221 pounds, and of course Rob said I had to get down to 170 pounds for him to purchase my custom closet. And that was the kick because I don't know if you guys remember, before I had Madison, I was exercising and losing weight, and I got down to 180 pounds or 179 pounds. So I was losing the weight before, but after I had Madison, I lost all motivation and stuff like that. So I told my husband about the closet, and he was like, it's not in the budget because, of course, we have 4 kids in private school, and it's very expensive to have kids in private school, do a bunch of stuff around the house, bills, all of that stuff. So he was like, okay, if you lose the weight in 7 months, I will save up and personally purchase your closet system in the closet. So I was like, okay, deal. Let's make a deal. And then also I am saving up all my YouTube money to purchase my refrigerator. So he was like, okay, at least we have something we're saving towards and we're working hard for. So I have 7 months to save up a bunch of money, and he's going to match me for the appliances. So I'm going to save up half that it costs to replace the appliances in the house, and he's going to match whatever that amount is. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, because I need a ton of money to purchase new appliances, and at least I'm working for it because, you know, editing videos and, you know, making sure that I keep a consistent schedule. I don't know about you guys. I'm not consistent on a daily basis, but I make sure that at least one video goes up every single week. So I'm consistent in that you guys have a video per week to watch. I'm not consistent on my schedule, which if you were to go back, my lips so dry. If you were to go back, my schedule was Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I haven't been consistent. Sometimes I do spoil you guys where I give you a video every single day, but it's been kind of hard, you know, because I've been doing a lot of stuff around the house and stuff. And my next project is to put up floating shelf on a wall over there. So that's my next project, and I've been brainstorming on, you know, the cheapest way to do it, you know. And I love the outcome so far. I love the progress. It's slow, but, you know, at the same time. And then I'm thinking of doing shaker style cabinet doors for my kitchen because I don't like the fact that you can see the cabinet boxes with the doors that are on there now. I feel like the doors that are on the cabinet boxes are a little too small, and I just don't want any reveal. I want the overlay to be exact, you know. But anyways, my weigh-in this morning was 213 pounds, so that's a loss of almost 8 pounds already, and I started on Monday. And today is Friday. So Monday for my official weigh-in, make sure you're following me over on TheAlbornozareGrowing on Instagram. Make sure you're following me there for my weight loss journey and see everything that I'm doing to lose the weight. What I'm doing right now is working, which is 1 meal per day. I do 1 meal per day, and I do intermittent fasting, and I also exercise every now and then. I can see it in my face. I did not lose 8 pounds in 5 days. That's not realistic. It's all water weight. It's a lot of water weight. And it's not, I wouldn't be, all excited that I lose 8 pounds in 5 days. No, that's not realistic. Know for a fact that the weight is going to slow down once I get rid of all the water weight that I've been lugging around. And it's going to be much harder for me to get down to 170. So go follow me over there at TheAlbornozareGrowing. That's where I'm documenting this journey. I usually do it at my other Instagram, which is my fitness, but I'm not doing it there because for some reason that account holds all the past attempt at trying to lose the weight. So I'm just like, I don't want to go there. I just want to start fresh. So that's where we are with that. Anyways, without further ado, let's end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys are commenting. My comment section is open, and you are able to, chit chat with me on the videos. And I do respond to comments and like and share these videos. You are permitted to share the videos, so make sure you're sharing these videos with your friends and your family. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.